Good morning guys, and welcome back to another episode. It's actually like super early in the morning right now. I'm pretty limited on time. Actually, at Matsuri my freaking lens was dirty as, so hopefully that's a bit better. My lens needs some cleaning. Alright, so it's early in the morning. Got to get this done before work because what we are doing today is we are fitting the new turbo. I've got brand new turbo in here. First time ever buying a turbo brand new. I always get secondhand Garrett turbos. So we need to fit this to the car so that Xavier can get in and weld the exhaust up to the dump pipe and change the intercooler piping slightly if needed. Sorry about the rain noise. It is very annoying on camera, but it is what it is at the moment. So I've got an hour and a half to get this sorted. Also got another couple of freaking awesome goodies over there that I'll show you. They got fabricated and they look unreal. Haven't actually unwrapped them yet to see them fully, but they look sick. So I'm going to clean up a bit here, still fresh out of Matsuri, and whack this turbo in. Let's do some work on the 32. So pumped, eh? Like, I've got motivation now to get this 32 done and down to Rayleigh because I'm keen as to do that track. Yeah, so let's bring it down and get right into it. Thanks heaps for everyone that's been supporting the channel. I appreciate all you guys for watching and supporting me on my journey, my drifting journey. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button because new videos every week. Hit the like button if you're enjoying this video and drop a comment if you feel like it down below. Let's get right into it.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get it, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him like and run the drill. Boom. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage. I got.
So I found an SKYLINE shirt down the shed, which is good, so I don't have to get my other shirt dirty and like oil and shit. This is what the R32 is currently looking like. It's just got bloody rags on it to protect it. Look at this weapon, mate. I don't know if I've actually showed you the rocker covers yet, but got them vapor blasted. I don't know if I'm going to use this set or this set yet. I got two sets. These ones here, I think, are the ones that look the best. So I'm gonna get them, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get them anodized or whatever the hell you call that other stuff, powder coated. But yeah, vapor blasting is freaking awesome. For the money that it costs to get these vapor blasted, it's well worth it compared to spending hours sanding it back and you don't even get it as good as this. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. But as it currently sits, it looks freaking sick with all the chrome. And Dad's a big chrome guy, so he'll be wanting me to keep it like this, but I think I'm going to change it. I want a color in here. I want black and a color, and just to make everything pop. So that's what the plan is with the theme for here. But the old trusty Garrett turbo, this is a GTX 3076R Gen 2, and it's a little weapon. But what I've decided to do, I've decided to go to the Pulsar turbo. Let's open it up and have a look. Okay, this is my literally first time opening it. Wow, that's a cool sticker. That's sick. Man, I need to make stickers like that. That's freaking awesome. So these turbos, if you don't know, they are a China turbo, but they are a replica of the new G series. A replica of the new G series Garrett turbo. The new Garrett turbo is about $3,500 to $4,000 for a brand new turbo, and this one here less than $1,500. So for the same thing but slightly different, and not from the actual R&D company that's making them. Like for the price, it just doesn't make sense to run a Garrett one. Like, cause I wanted a G series because they're like way more efficient. It even comes with a cool installation guide. That's interesting. I probably won't need that. But let's pull it out. Oh my god, it's heavy. She's heavy. Look at that. Brand spanking new turbo. Holy shit, mate. Oh, it's got a V-band as well. V-band conjoiner, that's so cool. We've got T4, T3. Yeah, T3 flange, that's what I need. Even comes with fittings. Or one fitting. Wow. Oh, this is sick, eh? Let's get it out of the bag. Let's get it out of the bag. Okay. This is freaking cool. Wow. Shit. Doesn't seem to spin like that freely. Interesting. I'm sure she'll spin up just nicely when we get it spooling. This is so cool. I freaking love turbos. Like, look at them. So sick. Alright, let's unbolt the other one. Wait! Look at this. It doesn't actually like go.
Need some more boost in it.
Yeah.
Sick, man.
Dude, I'm putting this on for you so you can do the exhaust at some stage.
Yeah. I'll either do it tomorrow or I finished my exhaust.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah, great.
Sick.
So cool.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, it's gonna look sick.
It's gonna look sick, eh?
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll suss out. I'm just gonna bolt it on there for you. And then we'll see what this looks like.
Yeah, I'll have to buy 90.
Yeah. Or make, is it easier to do that or make that come all the way up to it?
That's better.
Better.
Because obviously it's narrow manifold.
Yeah, true. Heat and shit.
Yeah. But I've never really welded alley, so like it's a tricky situation because...
Could just tack it and take it to...
Exactly.
Hayden or somewhere.
Yeah, I might try and weld the backside.
Yeah.
And then if it's not looking fucked, I'll continue. But if it does, it's fucked, But also, because it'll be two new things and they're cast, it should be clean, it shouldn't be that shit to weld. So,
yeah.
I know, I'm keen to give it a shot.
Yeah.
It will be a cool thing for me to actually be able to do. So.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah.
Awesome. Looks like it will need a lot of fill.
Yeah. But you can
two
also...
big sizes.
Yeah. I can also just get, like, because that's 2 inch, get a 2.5.
A reducer piece.
Yeah. Like a
Sick.
Yeah.
That'll be good.
Yeah.
That'll be good. Alright, sick. Well, I'm gonna whack it on there, see what it looks like. Probably just look at it for a while.
Hell yeah.
Like I've been doing with the old freaking engine.
Yeah, it looks mad.
It looks pretty mad, eh? Pretty sick. Yeah, we're gonna change that. Alright, I'm gonna put this one on the car and then get some cool photos of it. There's only 4 nuts that hold this thing on here. On the Team 3 flange, just a rectangle flange with 4 in each corner. Mate, she's difficult to get when it's in the car. Normally, I assembled it when I was out of the car and it was nice and easy. But once you know where you have to put your spanners and which angle, piece of piss, mate. Getting this last nut off, 1 second. Here we go. Out with the old turbo. So there's my manifold. I got the twin scroll one, and I'd highly recommend if anyone's gonna be playing with this, you get like the multi-layer gasket. It's like a really thick one, really good. So here we have the two different turbos. So we've got Garrett on the left, the Pulsar turbo on the right. They are almost the same. This one is slightly bigger on the front housing anyway, and we don't have Garrett written there anymore, which is sad because Garrett's fully sick. But if they want to charge what they want to charge, mate, they're gonna lose a few customers because, yeah, it's just, the price is just insane. Like, I bought my whole 180 for $4.5 grand. Freaking one turbo. But anyway, and then this one here has a V-band that joins the two together, which is really cool because this one here has like the old style with the bolts. I don't know if the new Garrett G series has that as well. I'm assuming it does. Yeah, we've got a couple of freaking outlets in here for water and oil. Pretty standard looking turbo with the V-band flange on the rear. Nice. Oh, this one's spinning a bit more freely. It's all nice and oiled up. It's crazy buying the shit brand new, eh? Like, it's pretty good in there. Yeah, let's put it on. All done. Oh, that looks sick. Nice. So obviously I have to clock the turbo, which is loosening the brackets at the back here, and you can spin the front, and yeah, I'll have to clock it around so that this outlet goes down this way. So it will line up with my intercooler piping that Xavier so kindly welded up. Comes back around to your intake. So yeah, I'm just gonna fit all the fittings on this, clock it around, get it in the right spot and get it ready, and then I'll show you these other parts here that are in bubble wrap.